The Intimus Model 14.95 Industrial Shredder by Yale. Designed for ease of use, mobility, high-volume performance, and versatility. This shredder is designed to fit perfectly through standard doors and shreds crumpled paper flawlessly. Cutting speed is 55 to 60 feet per minute, 17-inch wide feed opening. Capacity throughput from 800 to 1,000 pounds per hour. 53-gallon waste bin opens all the way for easy access and disposal. Designed for easy operation with conveyor belt feed system. Unique paddle wheel for shredding crinkled and crumpled paper, unlike other shredders that work only with flat or sorted papers. It has easy-to-use and understand controls with easy-to-see lights for power on, paper jam, and bin door open. Safety features include master locking switch with key, reverse function, auto off if waste bin is opened, and thermosensor motor protection. Optional accessories are waste baler, feed table expander, emergency front stop bar, and waste door hinge kit to reverse door sides. This heavy-duty shredder is narrow enough to fit through standard doors and is on lockable casters for easy movement. The Intimus Model 14.95 Industrial Shredder by Yale is perfect for mailrooms, shredding in large offices, and financial institutions.